Malia and welcome to today's video. If you're a fan of Harry Styles and you have TikTok, or probably if you don't have TikTok, you will most likely know about the JW Anderson cardigan that has gone viral on TikTok because Harry wore it. Everyone and their mum are trying to recreate the cardigan, and of course I had to hop onto the trend. However, there is one issue. I don't know how to crochet or knit, but I am super lucky because my mum likes to crochet, and so one day I was like, Mum, I know what your next project's gonna be. You're making this. Didn't really give her an option, but she happily took on the project, which I am very grateful for. I've got it right here, and in today's video I thought that I would take the opportunity to walk you through the main steps of how to make it. I'm not going to go into the details of how to crochet and stuff because I don't know how to do it myself, and after that I thought we'd do some fun little activities. If you like watching lifestyle, DIY, arty videos, then why not subscribe and click the notification to be notified when I upload.
You were the laughter early in the morning, down in the kitchen watching TV. You were the music that led me to the sixth string, and now it's been so long since I've heard you sing. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your...
So I've obviously got the jacket on, it's done. I'm so excited, I absolutely love it. Obviously you guys saw the first part where I filmed the body part being made, but I didn't do the sleeves because, to be honest, I forgot. I'm going to leave how many squares of each colour you need on the screen so that you can recreate it if you want. So before we move on to doing random acts of kindness, I am going to paint my nails, and I think I'm going to do the iconic smiley face ones just because when I think of Harry Styles and painted nails, that's what comes to mind. I've started painting my nails yellow. I'm gonna have to do a few more layers because you can still see my nails underneath and it's not opaque enough. But until then, I'm now going to draw on the smiley faces. I've got a toothpick because I don't think we have black nail polish with a thin brush. But also, I made two discoveries yesterday. The first one being the medieval version of watermelon sugar, and I'm just going to put that on. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to keep the sound in because of copyright. The second discovery I made is actually an unreleased song. It's called Half the World Away. The nails are done. I really don't know what happened to this one especially. I mean, they're all really bad. They look evil or something. So I thought for today I would spend the day doing random acts of kindness and treating people with kindness because, as Harry said, treat people with kindness, and that's what we're going to do. This morning I made breakfast for myself and my mum. I made us some avocado on toast. She always makes me breakfast, so I thought I'd make her breakfast today.
You were the laughter early in the morning, down in the kitchen watching TV. You were the music that led me to the sixth string, and now it's been so long since I've heard you sing. I looked up to you, brother,
A few months ago I painted my denim jacket. I have it right here in front of me. There we go. I really like this jacket, so of course when I came over to Greece I brought it with me, and my sister absolutely loves it. She's actually asked me to paint her denim jacket and I haven't got round to it. I thought I'd finally put some time aside to paint her jacket. I haven't come up with a design yet. She doesn't really know an exact design that she wants on the jacket. All she told me is that she would like it to be the same sort of aesthetic, like a very minimal one-line painting type of thing. So I'm going to come up with a design on paper and then I'm going to do it on her jacket as well.
Even when you lost your way in the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. Told me the story of how you met each other. Manhattan for coffee, first stop Astor Place. 5 years later, you walk into the altar, and now she's gonna share our family's name. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way.
In March I made the decision to chop off my hair and donate it. So before lockdown happened I booked a hair appointment and I got my hair cut so that I could donate it. And then lockdown kind of happened and I was in a rush to get back here to Greece, and I never got round to actually sending my hair off. The charity I'm going to send my hair to is called the Little Princess Trust, and when you send off your hair you're meant to fill out this form. I'm basically going to fill out this form and then the hair is ready to send off, and I will do that on Monday, so the day you're seeing this video actually. Also, fun little fact, this also happens to be the charity that Harry donated his hair to when he cut his hair. That's not the reason I'm donating it to this charity. I've donated my hair to them before. Estimated length of hair, oh I don't know, I don't remember how much I donated. I think it was like 14 inches. So the form is completed, I've filled it out, so I can now package up the hair and send it away. Something I try to do as often as possible, and I think it's very important for all of us to do, is to stay educated on current affairs and topics that are going on in the world at the moment, and signing petitions. When I was planning this video I went through some petitions and I thought I would sign some, educate myself on some topics and share some of the petitions that I signed with you guys. I will also leave links to them all in the description, so yeah, definitely feel free to check those out. It's so warm in this jacket. It's ridiculously hot. You can't imagine how warm I am.
Told me the story of how you met each other.
Okay, so this one, when I found it, I didn't realise this was even a thing. This petition is a little bit more on the animal rights side of things, and it's basically a petition to ban antifreeze preparations. So antifreeze is a way to lower the freezing point of water, and it is widely used and it has a very sweet taste apparently, which animals like, and a lot of animals die because of it. Banning that, or at least making it bitter, will actually save so many animals' lives. Next we've got some UK based ones, and just a note that if you want to sign petitions that are for the UK, then it's best to go through the Parliament website because I believe that those are the only petitions that they will address. We've got this one, make LGBT conversion therapy illegal in the UK, which I don't know, I just don't understand how it's still legal. And this petition has reached their goal, but I'm still gonna sign it. The government has responded to it, saying that the government is committed to ensuring all citizens feel safe and protected from harm. We will work to deepen our understanding and consider all options for ending the practice of conversion therapy.
5 years later, you walk into the altar, and now she's gonna share our family's name. I looked up to you, brother.
So warm. Okay, so I thought I would go on to the Harry Styles Treat People with Kindness website. Let me put on my jacket again. And I know they have, yes, they have a few different organizations based on location. For kindness. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments a random act of kindness that you've done today or that you're going to do after watching this video. There's obviously so many different ways to show kindness and be kind to people, and there's some acts of kindness that I would have liked to do but I couldn't because of where I live. For example, something that I really want to do is leave a note in a library book, but we don't have a library in my area, so I couldn't do that, but that is something that I really want to do. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, then why not give this video a thumbs up, and I will hopefully see you in my next video on Thursday. Bye!
This is when you were broke and poor. You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there.